guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. This is Anisha this side and I create videos on lifestyle, personal development and travel. So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon to get notified every single time I upload a new video. So even today's video is gonna be a very fun video. I'm gonna vlog the whole stuff, so stay tuned to the end of the video. Let's go! Might have seen on the thumbnail as well as on the title that today's video is gonna be about vision board. So these visions are basically my dreams and desires which I really want to achieve in my life. And you know what, like literally every year, like in the beginning of every year, I create these visions which I put down in the form of paper or a picture into my vision board, and I really work on to achieve it. So you know, when you have your visions very clear in the start, you have a path to like complete it, or you know, it's like mission possible. So if you don't know what a vision board is, in a very simple context, it's just a dream board where you're putting all your dreams and all the things that you want to achieve in your life, and that's there in front of you. Okay, these visions can be just, you know, not a year vision that I put, but also something I want to achieve in the future also, because I feel like even if you put it today, it's okay, because you never know when that luck factor is gonna hit your star and you're gonna get it as soon as possible. And I don't know if you guys also believe in luck or not, but I totally believe in it. It also helps you on not missing out on any of your goals. Like, you know, we all are human beings. We get indulged in something and we happen to just forget the other. So it, you know, when you have things in front of your eyes, you can just, you know, stay strong on it. Never ever this vocal about vision board. It was something that is in my room always. Okay, so my friends used to come, they used to see, we used to discuss things about, no, I want this, I want that, how can we work on it, and etc. But I was never vocal about it until and unless I thought that this time I should. And you know, things have already changed, that YouTube has come into the picture, vlogging and stuff, and I'm totally enjoying it. So I thought, let me just put out this as well. And you know, vision board is not like, if you want some things that you don't want people to see it, okay, you don't want anybody to see it, you don't want your friends to see it, you don't want your family to see it, it can happen. Of course, there might be your personal things as well. So it's not that you want a board, kind of board, to put down your dreams. It can be just a book, it can be your diary, it can be a piece of paper. That's it. Whole concept behind it, it is just that you live your dreams, you believe in yourself, and you know, you can achieve a lot many things. You can achieve when you put efforts, you will get the result. Of course, you will get it someday. If not today, you will get it tomorrow, and if not tomorrow, you will get it someday. Hey, so this is my vision board in my room, like in front of my bed. So I just thought to show it. So this is like all the things I need, and you know, this is some work related stuff. And then, you know, this is all about YouTube, where I just found that you never fail until you stop trying. So when I stop trying, I will fail is what it says. So I will keep trying that. And then I wanted my own website, that is anishakg.com. It is something that's coming soon. Yeah, then this is like, don't wish for a good body, work for it. This is there since 2 years, and there is a story behind it, I will tell you. This quote is there on my vision board since 2 years. This is only because I had lost super solid weight while I was working hard on it. So this was me before, and with like I had lost like 14 kilos, and this is me later. So that is the reason, like it was a quote that really motivated me, and that is why I had kept it, and I used to work out for it, and I still do it, but now it's time for a change, so I'm gonna change it. So how do I prepare a vision board? It's very simple. I just create a model, like not a model kind of model. I mean, I just create a diagram, okay, which can guide me throughout the process. So it goes like this. I take a notebook, first of all bear me for these light settings. It's already evening, so I couldn't like help it. So here it goes. I write my name in the center of the notebook or center of the page, and I divide it into sections. And in each section I write the things I want to develop or the things I want to focus on. So, the first one is about the work, my business, or my YouTube channel. So, now we have YouTube. Yay! So, what are the things that I need to do to grow it, or what are my new needs and necessities? So, next one is all about my home, which includes my family and my friends. It includes all my dreams. It can be anything. It can be a 2 BHK flat in Mumbai. It can be a car. It can be health of my family, or it can be just describing an object that you want, like anything. Then the next one is finances, which I need to excel the art of saving money. It can be I need to do some investment this time. I need to balance my financial income as well. So it can be anything, like also need some new source of income. So you can just put it out in that manner. If you're just thinking right now that what I really want, it won't come to you, like nothing will come in your mind right now. So you just need to sit and just figure out stuff. So the next one, I would like to write about my personal growth, where if I want to complete some course, I will look out for that, or if I want to just learn some extracurricular activities, I will look out for that. So it all comes here. Next one is a travel plan. It is where I want to go, what is my budget. So the budget and finances go hand in hand. So yeah. And the last one is about the lifestyle. You can just figure out stuff where you want to improve and just put it on your lifestyle. And then just ask Google Baba to provide you with pictures or the quotes you want. But in case you just want to write your own quotes or you want your own pictures, you can just draw it and you can stick it. So if I just search for this white aesthetic apartment I want in Mumbai, there is one picture that I will attract, that is like wow. So I will just select that and I will save it, and it goes the same for other pictures and the quotes as well. Now you can also use canva.com, which is a free app. Now you can go to create a design and select a Pinterest pin, and you can go to the elements and just type grid, and you get a lot of grids here. Select any one and just drag and drop your pictures, and that's it. So this is my vision board for 2021. This is for everybody watching this video right now. This is something I wanted for myself to stay motivated on YouTube. This is something I'll be talking on this channel very soon. These are my babies that I'm really waiting for. Like, I'm really excited to use these cameras that I have shortlisted. So I'm just waiting for the right time. Then I have a few quotes that have cut it out, and these quotes will be the small reminders for myself. Like if I'm stressing out on some days, I'll just be like, don't stress over things that I cannot control. So it's just a mind games. So there are a few quotes like this. Now these are my travel plans that I have this year. Then some saving habits, and so this is my new house. Your vision board can have everything that you want in your life, like for today, tomorrow, or in the future. So I totally believe in this vision board theory, because it has really worked for me. Like for the year 2019 to 20 last year, there are few things that I have totally achieved, which I had written in my vision board, and there are few things that are still ongoing, because I'm at least glad that it has at least started. So I think, and even my dad says that, when you see those things in front of you, like, it can be anything. But when you see those things in front of you, it comes to you much more faster than ever. So yeah, that is something I totally believe in. And maybe that's the reason I believe in this vision board as well. So I think that even you should start it, like even you should give it a try. You never know what good things can happen, so do try that. So that's all about it, guys. That is how it works for me. So if you also create vision boards, let me know in the comment section below how it has worked for you. And if anybody is coming down to my comment section and if they are just reading your comment, it will of course add a value to them as well. So that is how it is, right? Let's do this. If you like this video, give it a big fat thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified every single time I upload a new video. So thank you so much for staying to the end of the video. I wish you all the best in your life, and you stay happy, happier and happiest every time.